Love is so powerful in what it brings, in the joy of a mountaintop, or the greatest of stings. The loss of a person or fur baby runs deep, with hurt depriving the body of any peaceful sleep. I'm melting in this puddle of pain, O Lord, and pray that this day is not another I abhor. Walking through the valley is a very grievous place, until one day you notice the sun is on your face, looking down at your feet, a puppy all ragged and lost, its little feet all black from Old Man Frost. Into your arms the cycle of love begins, hearts flowing over to the very brim, for love is a gift to be given away, for whatever draws breath always takes it away.